Hello, I'm Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'm going to walk you through the shared and private spaces inside the platform. Team-GPT gives you the flexibility to choose between sharing and collaborating in chats and pages or keeping them private. If you open your workspace and click on a new chat, by default it will be private and only you will be able to access it. You can change that by clicking over here and choosing to start a new shared or private chat. Team-GPT will remember your preference for future chats. If you create a loose chat, image or page, no matter if shared or private, it will appear under recent in the sidebar. By loose, I mean that it doesn't belong to any project. Over here, you'll see the visibility of each chat as well as the project it belongs to. For example, this one doesn't belong to any project and is private. This one belongs to the shared marketing team project. And this one belongs to my private project named Blogged Articles. Again, in the sidebar, you can see your shared and private projects. Chats, images, and pages inside shared are visible to either everyone from your team or to the people that have permission to access them. Shared chats are perfect for team brainstorming sessions, collaborative problem solving, knowledge sharing across departments, and building on each other's AI prompts. Chats, images, and pages inside private are accessible only for you. Use these when working on confidential matters, exploring personal ideas, or handling sensitive information. Your private section has a distinctive blue theme. This helps you recognize when you're working in your private space. In the left sidebar, you can also pin the projects that are the most important for you. Now let's talk about permissions. Project permissions help you manage who can access what information. You can customize project access by hovering over a specific project and clicking on the three dots and project settings. Here you'll see all sharing options. If you click on only you, that means that only you can view and use this project. In other words, it is private. If you click on only people invited, you can choose which members of the workspace can have access to the entire project. This project will then appear under shared in the sidebar. If you click on everyone in your workspace, all workspace members will have access to your project. It will once again appear under shared. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.